Hello there. I'll be unboxing the new iPad. Strictly because all the cool people are doing it, so I want to be cool like all of them. So I bought an iPad so I could fit in. Actually it's not for me. Not too into Apple products, so this will be a quick unboxing. Haven't done an unboxing and I have no idea how long. Half a year? Maybe longer. So when you open it up, you see iPad, because that's all the cool people want to see. See? It is not protected too much, but then there's protection inside the box, so that's okay. There, the iPad box. Oh, so thin, right? Yeah, it's so cool and innovative because Steve Jobs invented the telephone. Let's open this up. Now look at this. 32 gigabytes, prestigious. I don't really want to break this, but it's an Apple product, so I don't really care. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this, look at this. What does it say? iCloud, innovative. Can't even open this, because it's that innovative. Look, it's floating, because they invented gravity, so they can anti-gravity in this box. Yeah, so next time you use gravity, be careful. Apple can sue you. So here's the iPad. Oh shit. You did not see my face there. Here's the glossy iPad and auto protection. Look, it looks just like the iPad 2. It's a bit thicker, but you probably won't notice. Look, iPad, 32 gigabytes. Designed by Apple in California, because that's where the cool people are at. And here's the accessories. Quick start guide probably, too lazy to open it. Charging stuff. I wonder if there's anything else in here. Nope. Put everything back. Let's look at the iPad. How amazing is this iPad? Can you imagine it? It's like so awesome. Look, this is aluminum. Patented by Apple. And look at this black Apple logo. Patented by Apple. Let's try turning it on. There's a power button. You see this power button? Invented by Steve Jobs. It's not turning on. Oh, I guess. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this resolution. It's amazing. Just amazing. Okay. Repeat after me. Amazing. Okay, this is amazing. Innovative. Look at this. It's so thin and portable. Oh, look at that start screen. Configure, slide to configure. No one has ever thought of that before. Oh no. Oh, home button. Look at this home button. Listen to the home button.
Voice on. iPad. Image.
Oh, look at this innovative feature. You can even click the iPad. How do you turn off the voice over? There you go. See, now you select your language and press the blue arrow in case you don't speak English. Country or region, I will choose Australia because I'm Australian. No, I'm not. Let's choose China. Just kidding. See, now it says next. See how innovative that is? It says next now because you chose English. I would enable location services because I want Apple to know where I'm at all the time. Where you at, nigga? I shouldn't have said that, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Let me put in my Wi-Fi password here. Wi-Fi is not named after me, by the way. My name's not Amanda. Oh, look, it says iPad. Look at that font. Look at that resolution. Amazing. Just innovative, amazing, revolutionary. Look, set up a new iPad or restore from backup. Look, iCloud backup. Oh, just look at this. Oh, it's moving. Oh, you can't slide it, but this so cool. This animation, 3D animation. It's actually 2D with shadows, but still, it's amazing. Just amazing. Let's sign in with an Apple ID. Listen to the clicks. Wait, where's the CPU? Can you hear that? It's prestigious sound. Forgot the password. Oh, never mind. Be patient here. I'm almost done. Signing in. There we go. Agree. I know you can't see the screen. I did it on purpose. Because it's setting up my Apple ID and that's prestigious information. Just amazing information. Because the iPad is very secure. It gets no viruses like Macs. I heard that Macs don't get viruses. iCloud, I just use iCloud because I'm a cool kid. Well, it's not my, whatever. I'm setting up for her. I don't really care. Back up to iCloud, sure. Find my iPad. Because when you lose your iPad, no one can see it because it's so small. Send diagnostics and usage so they can stalk me everywhere. And then register with Apple. Register with Apple. So this product is officially registered. Look. Now there's check marks. Prestigious. The most advanced iOS ever. And thank you for watching. I don't think there's any more after this. Bye-bye.